open your Android Studio and create a basic activity. For the name, type in whatever you want. So we're just going to type in menu, my application menu. Make sure you choose Java for no good reason or no particular reason. Yeah, for the Chiyu app, we do use Java. In the future, when I have time, I may create more videos using Kotlin, but yeah, today the lesson we're using Java. We're going to run it first just so you can see what it looks like. Okay, so this is the first page, first fragment. And you can see it's got setting. Now we go to the second fragment. The menu looks exactly the same. And the reason why it looks exactly the same is because it is using the same menu design, okay? So if you go into your res folder, menu underscore main, this is the menu that's used by the main activity and therefore used both by the first fragment and the second fragment. We're gonna create a third fragment, so just call it third fragment. Let's go to the second fragment first and change it so that the button, instead of being previous, we're going to change it to go to, or actually just call it next. Make sure the design looks okay. Yep, everything looks okay. So now what you're going to do is you're going to copy, well, you're going to duplicate the menu underscore main. So just copy and then paste. Call it, we'll call it menu third. Okay, now we go to the menu third code and change the title for the item to be contact Chiyu. And let's add one more item. So just copy this item and then paste it. So we create another item. Let's create a another item and call it contact. Make sure the order and category is 10 so it appears before the contact Chiyu. Title, just call it home and then show as action always. Okay, so this is what the design looks like. with home and then the more icon to the right of the home item. Let's see what else we need. Okay, we need to tell the fragment that it has a menu, a different menu. So that's why we use the method set has option menu. Now we actually have to inflate the menu on this fragment. So public void on create option menu. Menu inflator. And then now make sure you choose menu underscore third. Okay, and I think that's all we need. Oh no, we also need to go to navigation. Okay, add your third fragment. And we need to add action. So the action goes from your second fragment to your third fragment. Add that action. Okay, now go to your second fragment. It makes sure when the person taps on the button, you go to the third fragment rather than the first fragment. Okay, I think that's what we need, all we need, so we just run it. Okay, tap on next, it'll go to the second fragment. Tap on next again, goes to the third fragment, and you can see the home item here. And you can see when you tap on more details, it will give you settings and contact Chihuahua. Okay, but notice the settings, it's still here. And that is because creating the third menu adds on top of the main menu. If that's what you want, that's fine, you can leave it. However, if you don't want that setting, you don't want to add on to the main menu, then you can just clear it. So the method is menu.clear. Okay, let's run it. Now we should not have the settings. Next. Okay, so it has the home item and does not have the setting item. Only contact GUI.